Hi students, today we are going to take a new chapter, chapter 3 fractions. Our first heading is 1 half. 1 half means one part of two equal parts. 1 half means one part of two equal parts. A part of something is called a fraction. A part of something is called a fraction. 1 half can be written as 1 by 2. That means here given one figure of a papaya, this is our whole, this is our full papaya. It is divided into two equal parts, that is, this is the half portion and this is the another half portion. These two half portions together get one papaya. Okay, so the one full portion is divided into two equal parts. It is known as a 1 half or 1 by 2. Exercise 3.1. Look at these shapes and tick the ones that show 1 half. The first figure given a triangle. It is divided into two equal parts. 1 half means one part out of two equal parts. In this given figure, the triangle is divided into two equal parts. So this figure is 1 by 2 or 1 half. Okay, then our second figure, it is a figure of a square. It is divided into two parts, but it is not an equal parts. Okay, this is shorter portion and this is the bigger portion. It is divided into two parts, but it is not equal parts. So this figure is not 1 half or 1 by 2. Okay, then our third figure, it is a figure of a circle. It is divided into, yes, two equal parts. So it is, the figure is 1 half or 1 by 2. So take this figure. Then our D problem, it is a figure of a rectangle. It is divided into two equal parts. So it is so this figure is 1 by 2 or 1 half. Then our E figure, it is not 1 by 2. Then our last figure, it is divided into two equal parts. So this figure is 1 half or 1 by 2. So 1 half means one part out of two equal parts. Okay. Then our next heading is quarter or 1/4. Then given the figure of a circle, the circle has been divided into four equal parts. One part is taken away. This part is known as a quarter. The portion of the circle taken away is called quarter of that circle. When we divided something into four equal parts, we cut it into the quarters. A quarter means one part out of four equal parts. A quarter means one part out of four equal parts. Okay. So it is written as 1 by 4. Quarter means 1 by 4. Then exercise 3.2, tick the given shapes that are divided into quarters. Quarter means one part out of four equal parts. One part out of four equal parts. Okay, then our first problem, given the figure of a circle, it is divided into four equal parts. So it is a quarter. So tick that figure. Then our B problem, given the figure of a rectangle, it is divided into four parts, but it is not an equal parts. So our quarter means one part out of four equal parts. So this figure is not a quarter. Then our third figure, it is a figure of a triangle. It is divided into four parts, but it is not four equal parts. So this figure is not a quarter. Then our D problem, this figure is divided into four equal parts. So this figure is a quarter. Then E problem, the square is divided into four equal parts. So this figure is a quarter. Then E problem, then our last and final problem, this figure is divided into four parts, but it is not, the last part is not equal part. So this figure is not a quarter. Then our second section, shade the figures to show the given fraction. In this problem, the first figure is not a quarter. It has 5 portions. So there is a mistake in this problem. So let us move the next problem. B section, given the figure 1 by 2. So here we want to shade the figures to show the given fraction. That means 1 by 2 means that we have to shade the one portion of this circle. Then our third problem, it is the picture of a quarter, that means 1 by 4. So we want to share how many parts? We want to share one part. Then here the fourth problem, there is a figure of a triangle, it is 1/2. So we want to shade the one portion of this figure. Then E problem, it is the figure of a quarter or 1/4. So we want to shade one portion of this figure. Then F problem, it is also a quarter 1 by 4. So we want to share the one part of, now we get 1 by 4. Then G, in this figure we want to shade the 1 by 4th part. That means one part we want to shade. So this portion we want to shade. So the figure is 1 by 4. Then last and final problem, it is given the figure of a 1/2. So we want to shade one portion of this figure. So children, today we are studying two parts. Our first part is 1/2 or 1 by 2 and our second part is quarter or 1/4. 1 by 2 or 1/2 means that one part out of two equal parts. The word is very important, two equal parts. So 1/2 is written as 1 by 2. Then our next heading, quarter or 1/4. Quarter means that one part out of four equal parts. We write it as 1 by 4. Okay children, thank you.